There are a couple new updates to Google Classroom to start off the 2016 school year, so I'm going to go over a couple right now. The first one is Topics in Classroom. Topics will help you organize your classroom a little bit better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and create a new announcement for my students. I'm going to just title it, here's a test of the new Topics feature. Now I can go over here where you see Topics now. And I can select either create topic or a topic I already have. So I'm going to create a new topic. We'll call this one test posts. And I can always do just like any other announcement in Google Classroom. I can add attachment, something from my drive, from YouTube, or a link. And once I'm ready to post it, I click post. And now you're going to see this is going to be the body of my message. And then I will even be able to click from here to go see all the test posts. Or if I have a different topic here, updates. Now, a nice thing is that I can also go back. Let's say you already created some stuff for the school year. You want to be able to edit it. You can just go to those three dots. And now you can go to edit. And now you should be able to select your topic or create a new one. So topics will allow you to easily organize it. So you could even have it organized by unit. You could have it organized by, assignments versus just postings. So think about how you want to organize your classroom so students can easily see all of one thing at a time. What are those main categories you would create? The second thing is parent emails. So people have been asking for parent updates or parent access to Google Classroom, but they've been able to add something which should be very useful. So if you go to your Students tab, now you're going to see something over here that says Guardian Email Summaries. So you can include this class. Now it's going to give you a little bit of an update here. It says Guardians receive summary of students' work, class announcements, see example, add all the class, teach Guardian that. And so I'm just going to add this class. So if you want to add all your classes, you would click that. I'm just going to add this class. So now this is turned on. Now, just if this is not available to you, then you need to go talk to your Google Apps for Education admin person to see if this is something they're going to turn on. Once you're ready to add the Guardians, you would click Invite Guardians. And you're going to put the parent guardian's email right here. Now, according to the help file for this, once the parent guardian email is added for a student, it should appear for that student in all of their Google Classrooms that they're part of. You can add multiple ones here, and now you're asking how you're going to get that. Well, there's no way to mass upload right now, but one thing you can easily do is use a Google form to allow and send it to your students and say, hey, if any of your parents want to get weekly updates of this, they need to just enter their name, your name, and then an email address. And then you'll have that list, which you can easily just copy and paste each person into this. Now, once you have those in there, you'll see that. And then the nice thing is that they will have to accept the invitation, of course, in order for the name not to be grayed out. And then one thing you'll be able to do in the future is be able to email all the guardians. So instead of using something else, whether you have a class list or your district grading book to email parents, you can even just do that directly from Google Classroom. So this will give parents a nice little summary of all the posts and the assignments for the week. This is the access that a lot of parents have been asking for. You can tell for just safety's sake that we weren't going to give a parent account to every parent just to see what's going on. That's something I know in some other LMSs, but remember that Google Classroom is not an LMS. It is more about workflow management than anything else. So those are the two big updates. There's also one which I'll create a different video for where you can do annotations onto documents, but you need to use the mobile app for that, and that's not available in the web app.